So, guys, just a small, curious question. Including me, many students had a same doubt actually. So, how we want to prepare CV? Is there any kind of a pattern, and what are the things we should mention in this CV? Any, small talk on that?
Like, I mean, like you are going to ask like experience or the fresher kind of thing,
I
like
will.
the CV.
Okay, we'll go with the freshers because majority of our audience are the fresher itself. We'll go with the fresher first. Okay,
Yeah.
Divakar.
Fresher in the sense they can mention their skill set, like which
Okay.
they have, like internship
Okay. Mm-hmm.
or many courses they'll be doing, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Uh, will be like strong enough, like to showcase themselves, like
Mm-hmm.
they
Okay.
have done their
Okay.
like what all like project kind of
Mm-hmm.
thing. You'll be having
Mm-hmm.
like
Okay.
big project.
Okay.
Tell them to mention those things in the CV. That
Okay.
will become like, will be strong
Mm-hmm.
enough.
Okay.
And so like it will see for a fresher resume, we cannot put like
Mm-hmm.
so many things.
Yeah.
Kind of
Yes.
thing.
Yeah.
The project would be the main part, like
Yeah.
to showcase themselves.
Okay. Got it.
That would be for the freshers I can suggest. Also,
Okay.
they can be doing internships or
Okay.
some other
Mm-hmm.
courses.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
They can mention those things. That would be great.
All right. And Yashwant, any inputs to Divakar's point?
Yeah, sure. What Divakar said is absolutely correct.
Mm-hmm.
What I can say. So, the candidate who are applying for a job, they should
Okay.
showcase their skills.
Okay.
So that
Mm-hmm.
is the main motto of it, building our own resume.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So here, they need to mention all the internships,
Mm-hmm.
all the
Okay.
skill set, whatever the skill. If you have a
Okay.
skill
Mm-hmm.
of photo editing, just
Mm-hmm. Okay.
mention it.
Okay.
It will be helpful in the interview process.
Okay.
So one of my small interaction with
Mm.
Decathlon when I
Okay.
have given some interview regarding talent acquisition.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I have noticed that their priority is totally into Decathlon. They are a sports company
Okay.
who
Mm-hmm.
prepares some sports kind of
Yeah.
thing,
Mm-hmm.
sports items and
Yeah.
products they prepare.
Yeah.
So their main motive is to they grab a candidate who
Mm-hmm.
is having skills with the sport
Okay.
and the dedicative work.
Got it. I got
So
it.
if you mention like I am proficient in volleyball, so
Okay.
that will be helpful and they'll encourage you in volleyball.
Volleyball.
So
Okay.
there are some sort of things you need to look
Okay.
while applying to a company. Like my suggestion is from my personal side,
Mm-hmm.
if you are going to apply some company,
Okay.
so you need to identify the company needs and what type of
Mm.
products, what type of services they give. So if
Yep.
you understand means it will be more helpful while building the resume, effective resume, what I can say.
Got it. Got it. If you're looking into overview of whatever the points you gave until now, try to prepare resume based upon company requirement. Correct.
Yes, yes. Company requirement
So
and the culture.
culture. Culture. Agreed. One second. So additional to that, guys, for we are done with the freshers hiring. So just wanted to ask regarding what will be your approach for experienced candidate? Is it same kind of a hiring approach, or is it a bit different? Any talk on that, Divakar?
Yes, Akshay. Like it will be like complete difference as a fresher and experienced person. When
Okay.
we look on the experienced person,
Mm-hmm.
he will be having some experience based on particular skill set.
Okay.
Suppose we take the full stack developer,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
like he be like good at like both the things, like as well
Okay.
as like front end
Mm-hmm.
and back technologies.
Okay.
Like they'll be having assigning into the some projects.
Mm-hmm.
They are involving to another
Okay. Mm-hmm.
project,
Okay.
like kind of thing.
Mm-hmm.
They'll be having a lot of skill set, like the things,
Mm-hmm.
like which all things the skill set which they have worked on. They
Okay.
need to exact things what the small project. If the SQL is also the main thing,
Mm-hmm.
some people it.
That's
That is also main thing to not being shortlisted.
okay. Okay. Huh.
Every all the involved in the complete project, they need to mention in the CV.
See. Okay.
That will be strong. Like when the HRs look into the shortlisting
Mm.
part,
Okay.
they will be like knowing all the things instead
Mm.
of asking. If seeing the resume,
Mm-hmm.
by seeing the resume only, they'll be knowing, oh, yes, he is worked on so and so on things.
Okay.
As it is requirement, then we can shortlist the candidate.
Okay. Mm.
This type of things we can do it.
Got it.
So my suggestion is like which all the things worked on
Mm-hmm.
particular project, to
Okay.
mention all the things.
Mm. Okay.
What type of project you worked on,
Okay.
which skill,
Mm.
duration. If you mention, it would be like helpful.
Got it. And Yashwant, any inputs?
Yeah, sure. Like adding on some points to Divakar's perspective.
Yeah.
So here, while approaching to a fresher candidate,
Mhm.
so whatever the skills they have, try to mention all those. We
Mhm.
repeat the same,
Okay.
because like whatever the skills you are skilled up with, they don't need. They
Mhm.
just identify your skills, whether they have skilled
Mhm.
with a data
Yeah.
structure or
Mhm.
something else.
Mhm.
If you are proficient with that, they'll take you, because their understanding is
Mhm.
to understand what kind of skill you
Mhm.
have,
Yep.
what kind of coding knowledge you have, what kind of work you can do.
Mhm.
They'll judge in the first the things of interview.
Okay.
So according to that, they'll deploy in some other requirement what they got.
Okay.
So if you are giving some interview regarding Java,
Mhm.
so you are proficient with Java, right?
Okay.
So the interviewer will take all the interview and everything is done. Then they'll deploy you into the Python
Mhm.
type of job.
Okay.
Fine. So it usually happens with a fresher.
Okay.
Fine. So coming to experience,
Okay.
so as Divakar mentioned,
Mhm.
so they have some particular sort of skills
Mhm.
regarding to a particular skill.
Yeah.
Right, they have a few experience into cloud as well. They
Mhm.
have something full stack development
Yeah.
as well. So according to that, their position will be decided,
Yeah. Mhm.
because like they have some experience.
Mhm.
They are into junior level, they'll be
Mhm.
promoted to the senior level.
Yeah.
So if you are senior, they'll be promoted to some
So,
associate level.
yeah.
So this will be the approach of mine to
Okay.
the fresher and to a experienced
Experience.
candidate.
All right.
Yeah.